1 gram of hydrogen is converted into 0.993 gram of helium in a thermonuclear reaction. The energy released is, see, so 1 gram of hydrogen gets converted into 0.993 gram of helium. So the energy released is change in mass into c square. So 1 minus 0.993 gram into 3 into 10 to the power 8 whole square. So that will be 0.007 into 10 to the power minus 3 kg it will be. This is 9 into 10 to the power 16. So that will come around 10 to the power 13 it will be, into 9 if you do, that will be 0.063. So it is, looking at the options, it is 6.3 into 10 to the power 11 or 63 into 10 to the power 10 joule is the correct answer, which happens to be option B. Hence option B is the right answer.